The heroic dog noticed the dangerous goods in the suitcase, and it turned out to be a timed explosive. The dog was bound to fulfill his duties. He quickly rushed outside with the dangerous goods in his mouth. The explosion time was getting shorter and shorter, and suddenly an eagle fell from the sky and took the sacred stick from the dog's hand. The eagle flew to the empty sea with all his strength. At the last second before the explosion, the eagle successfully threw the dangerous goods into the sea. At the moment of the explosion, the dog and the eagle saved everyone and avoided a disaster.